Hi, this is the TCL TAB 10 seconds generation, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings app and then scroll down to the sound section. Tap on it and here you'll see volume of the notifications, media and alarms. Just to change the volumes here, we should slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels. Here we could change notification and alarm ringtones, to activate and turn off the live captions, to turn on and turn off the don't disturb mode, just to turn off the alarms or to use them, and to set the schedule the start and the end time of the don't disturb mode. And in most sound settings we could activate and turn off the screen lock sounds, touch sounds, and to use the wireless emergency alerts. So that's all of the sound settings on now of our TCL tab. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.